Welcome to this video about how to make an artificial intelligence like you. As artificial intelligence continues to become more prevalent in our daily lives, many people are curious about how to make an AI system like them. While AI systems are not capable of forming emotional connections like humans do, there are ways to create a personalized and interactive experience. In this video, we'll go over some steps you can take to make an artificial intelligence system like you. Step 1. Choose an AI platform. The first step is to choose an AI platform to work with. There are many options available, including Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, Google Assistant, and Microsoft's Cortana. Choose a platform that you are comfortable with and that has the features and capabilities you are looking for. Step 2. Personalize your AI system. Once you have chosen your AI platform, it's time to personalize your system. This may include selecting a personalized wake word or nickname, setting up your preferences and settings, and customizing your responses to certain questions or commands. Step 3. Teach your AI system about you. One way to make an AI system like you is to teach it about you. This may include providing information about your hobbies, interests, and preferences. The more information you provide, the more personalized and interactive your AI system will be. Step 4. Engage with your AI system. Engaging with your AI system is another way to make it like you. This may include asking it questions, playing games with it, or having conversations with it. The more you interact with your AI system, the more it will learn about you and your preferences. Step 5. Provide feedback and corrections. Finally, providing feedback and corrections to your AI system can help it learn and improve over time. If your AI system provides a response or answer that is incorrect or not to your liking, provide feedback and corrections to help it learn and improve. Conclusion. While an AI system cannot form emotional connections like humans do, there are ways to make it like you. By following these steps, you can create a personalized and interactive experience with your AI system. Good luck!